Hello. Let's see how you can set up a 404 page in Xperience by Kentico. Start with choosing where you'll store the page in the content tree. Create a folder for the error page. You can use the folder when you decide to add other types of error pages. Add a new page in the errors folder. Name it 404. Choose the error page content type. And continue to the next step. Change the status code to 404. It's a standard HTTP code telling Xperience the visitor tried to navigate to a URL that was not found on the server, so this page should be displayed instead. Now, switch to the Page Builder tab to add content to the page. The first is a rich text widget. The 404 in KBank is a simple implementation. It might not be worth spending time and resources to build custom widgets for this page specifically. Add 404, followed by a short explanation. It is an error page. Style the text. The 404 should be the most prominent. Make it heading 1, and align it to the center. Make the information about the wrong page also stand out. Make it heading 2, and align it to the center. The rest of the text should just be aligned the same way. Use the HTML source editor to add background to make the page visually more interesting. Next, add a link to the home page. Add a new section, and a call to action widget. Adjust the call to action text. And add the target page, a home page. Confirm the changes. Add a news section. We can make the experience more pleasant by adding a content that the website visitor might be interested in. The section consists of two parts: the heading and the articles widgets. Fill in the heading text, and choose the heading. In the Articles widget, select the content tree section you want to display. Adjust the number of articles, and confirm the settings. Save the page. This is what the 404 page looks like for a visitor. Now, let's take a look at how you can use personalization. It's a great tool to show your visitors specific content based on their previous behavior. First, add a new variant of the widgets you want to personalize. Fill in the name, so you know which personalization variant you're working on, and select the respective contact group. Configure the new variant. Change the heading, and adjust the articles the page will display. Once you publish the page, it will show anytime someone comes across the wrong URL. This is a standard 404 page. But if you are a visitor who agreed with tracking, showed interest in insurance, and is part of the contact group, you'll see the personalized variant. This is how you can set up a 404 page with personalization. Thanks for watching.